But yeah, they say these are pretty good. Fuck, Columbia is full. But anyway, they say these are pretty good, man. They got pretty good reviews on them. It was like a 4 out of 5 or 4.5, one of them. But these are the 905 HB3s H10s. Whatever the fuck that means. We gonna try these out, man. See what they look like. I'm gonna give y'all the before and after take of the default stock lights, and then I'll put the LEDs in, and we gonna go from there. Again, these are ProTech LED headlights.